Welcome to the FluentFlow English Learning Channel. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm so grateful you clicked on this video today. Whether you found us through search, recommendations, or a friend shared this with you, you're in exactly the right place. Here's something I need you to hear right now. You don't need to make massive changes to achieve English fluency. You don't need to study for hours every day. You don't need expensive courses or a complete life transformation. What if I told you that the difference between where you are now and fluent English is just a series of tiny, almost invisible daily steps? Steps so small that they don't feel like work. Steps so simple that you could start taking them today, right after this video ends. I'm going to prove it to you. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 specific everyday strategies that take less than 5 minutes each, but compound into massive fluency over time. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn will completely change how you think about English learning. Let me tell you about Emma. 2 years ago, Emma was stuck. She'd been learning English for 6 years with minimal progress. She felt frustrated, defeated, ready to give up. She told me, "Carl, I've tried everything. Classes, apps, textbooks, YouTube videos, nothing works. I think I'm just not good at languages." I asked her one simple question. "How much time do you practice English every day?" She sighed. "That's the problem. Some weeks I practice for hours. Other weeks, I don't practice at all. I start strong, get overwhelmed, burn out, and quit. Then I feel guilty and try to restart. It's a constant cycle." I said, "Emma, your problem isn't that you're bad at languages. Your problem is that you're thinking too big. You need to think smaller." She looked confused. "Smaller? But don't I need to practice more to improve?" I smiled. "You need to practice consistently, not intensely. 5 minutes every single day beats 5 hours once a week. Small steps, taken daily, lead to big fluency." I gave Emma 5 tiny strategies, each taking less than 5 minutes. I told her, do just these 5 things every day for 90 days. Don't skip a day. Don't do more than this. Just these 5 things. She was skeptical, but agreed. 90 days later, Emma was having full conversations in English. She'd made more progress in 3 months than in the previous 6 years. Let me share those 5 strategies with you right now. Strategy number 1, the 1-minute morning declaration. Every morning, immediately after you wake up, spend exactly 1 minute speaking English out loud. Stand up, look at yourself in the mirror if possible, and declare your day in English. Today is Monday, December 25th. I slept well, I feel good. Today I will work on my project, go to the gym, and practice my English. It's going to be a great day. That's it. 60 seconds. Simple statements about your day. Why does this work? You're starting your day in English mode. You're training your brain to wake up thinking and speaking English. You're building the habit of speaking without fear because you're alone. 1 minute seems insignificant, but 1 minute every day for a year is 365 minutes over 6 hours of speaking practice. And that's just from this one tiny habit. Emma did this every single morning. She told me that after 2 weeks, she started naturally thinking in English when she woke up, before she even started the practice. Strategy number 2, the 3-word challenge. Throughout your day, whenever you're waiting for something, waiting for your coffee, waiting for the elevator, waiting in line, learn 3 new English words. Not complicated words. Just 3 simple words related to what you see around you. Look around. Pick 3 objects. Say their English names. If you don't know a word, quickly look it up on your phone. Chair, window, coffee cup. Then use each word in a simple sentence. I'm sitting on a chair. I can see through the window. My coffee cup is blue. This takes less than 2 minutes and can be done multiple times throughout the day during moments you'd otherwise waste. Why is this powerful? You're building vocabulary in context. You're connecting English words with real objects in your environment, and you're doing it in tiny moments that add up. Emma started doing this during her commute, during lunch breaks, while waiting for meetings to start. She told me that after a month, she was automatically naming objects in English in her head without even trying. Strategy number 3, the 2-sentence evening journal. Before bed, write just 2 sentences in English about your day. Not a paragraph, not an essay, just 2 simple sentences. Today, I had a busy day at work. I'm tired but happy. That's it. 2 sentences. Take 60 seconds. Write them in a notebook, in your phone's notes app, anywhere. The medium doesn't matter. The consistency matters. Why does this work? You're practicing written English daily. You're reflecting on your day in English. You're creating a record of progress. When you look back in 3 months, you'll see your improvement. Emma's 2-sentence journal became her favorite part of the routine. She said it was therapeutic to end each day by processing it in English. Strategy number 4, the micro-listening habit. While you do any routine activity, brushing your teeth, washing dishes, getting dressed, making coffee, play English audio in the background. Not a full podcast episode, not a 30-minute video, just 3 to 5 minutes of English content. A short YouTube video, a snippet of a podcast, a TED Talk excerpt, 1 song with English lyrics. You're not actively studying, you're just exposing your ears to English sounds and patterns while doing things you already do. Why is this effective? You're getting daily listening practice without adding time to your schedule. Your brain is absorbing English pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation passively. Emma started playing 3-minute English videos every morning while she made breakfast. 0 extra time, daily English immersion. Strategy number 5, the end of day reflection. Right before you go to sleep, spend 60 seconds mentally reviewing your day in English. Lie in bed with your eyes closed and think through your day in English. I woke up at 7. I went to work. I had lunch with my colleague. I came home and watched TV. Now I'm going to sleep. Just simple thoughts in English, in your head. Why does this work? You're training your brain to think in English naturally. You're processing your experiences through English. This builds fluency at the deepest level, automatic English thinking. Emma told me this was the hardest habit at first because her brain kept switching back to her native language. But after 2 weeks, English thoughts started flowing naturally. Let's add up the time commitment. 1-minute morning declaration. 1 minute, 3-word challenge. 2 minutes done during waiting time. 2-sentence evening journal, 1 minute. Micro listening habit, 3 minutes during routine activities. End of day reflection, 1 minute. Total active time added to your day, about 5 to 8 minutes. That's less time than scrolling through social media once, less time than 1 coffee break. But done consistently every single day, these tiny steps compound into massive fluency. Emma's transformation wasn't dramatic in the first week, or even the first month, but by month 3, the compound effect was undeniable. Her speaking was smoother, her vocabulary was larger, her confidence was higher, all from 5 tiny daily habits. Now here's what you need to understand. Small steps only work if they're consistent. Doing these 5 strategies perfectly for 3 days, then skipping 4 days, then doing them again for 2 days won't work. The power is in the daily repetition. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to the 90-day small steps challenge. For the next 90 days, do these 5 strategies every single day. Don't skip, don't make excuses, just 5 to 8 minutes daily. Mark it on a calendar. Check off each day. Don't break the chain. And here's a secret. After about 30 days, these won't feel like strategies anymore. They'll just feel like who you are. They'll be automatic habits that require no willpower. That's when the real transformation begins. Thank you so much for watching the FluentFlow English Learning channel. I'm Carl, and it's been my pleasure to share these strategies with you today. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button. It helps YouTube show this video to more English learners who need these strategies. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're notified every time we post new content. We're here every week with practical, actionable English learning techniques. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 5 strategies are you going to start with today? I read every comment and love hearing from you. Share this video with someone who's learning English. Small steps work even better when you have an accountability partner. learn together. Before I let you go, I want to leave you with some wishes from my heart. I wish you consistency. May you show up for your English practice every single day, even when you don't feel motivated. May you trust that small steps taken daily lead to extraordinary destinations. I wish you patience. May you resist the temptation to judge your progress too quickly. May you trust the compound effect and give your small steps time to accumulate into big results. I wish you self-compassion. May you be kind to yourself on days when practice feels hard. May you celebrate showing up even if the practice wasn't perfect. I wish you awareness. May you notice the small improvements along the way. May you see that each day of practice is making you better, even when the change feels invisible. And most importantly, I wish you the joy of discovery. May you wake up one day, perhaps 3 months from now, and realize with amazement, I'm thinking in English naturally, I'm speaking more fluently, I'm actually doing it. May you experience that beautiful moment of recognizing your own transformation. Remember, you don't need to take giant leaps. You just need to take small steps every single day. You've got this. I believe in you completely. Now go take that first small step. Until next time, keep taking small steps, keep building your fluency, and keep flowing forward with your English. This is Carl from FluentFlow English Learning Channel. Take care, my friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep flowing.